Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Okay, so today I'm going to do a takeaway Chinese style chicken curry. This seems to be a very popular takeaway dish over here in this country, so I'm going to make a version of it from scratch. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our curry sauce. So we'll start off with our butter. I've got about 70 grams of butter here. Just melt that down in a pan. Okay, so once that's melted down, we're going to go in with our onion. Here I've got one small onion which I've just finely chopped. Like that. I've also got one clove of garlic which is finely chopped. In with that. And about half a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. So we're going to cook this all down just until it goes soft. Okay, so this has been cooking down now for about 4 or 5 minutes and it's starting to go a bit soft. So we're going to go in now with our spices. So I've got some curry powder here. I'm using a medium curry powder, but if you like it hotter, obviously you can buy a hotter curry powder. So I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of curry powder. I'm also going to go in with half a teaspoon of ground coriander and one teaspoon of Chinese five spice. So we're going to cook these spices out for about 2 minutes. Okay, so now our spices are cooked out. So I'm now going to go in with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of plain flour. I'm going to go in with that. So you want to cook this out for about a minute and a half. Okay, so once you've cooked the flour out for about a minute and a half, we're going to just turn the heat down and just gradually start adding our stock. I've got 250 ml of chicken stock here. I'm just going to gradually add this. Okay, so we're just going to go in with the rest of the stock. And I'm just going to let this cook for about 10 minutes on a low heat. But just every kind of couple of minutes, just come by and give it a little stir just to make sure it doesn't catch to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so our sauce has been cooking now for about 10 minutes on a low heat. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish it off with some soya sauce, about a tablespoon of soya sauce. And some cracked black pepper. If you think the sauce is a little bit too thick, you can always add a little bit of hot water just to loosen it up a little bit. Just a splash. Okay. So the next stage is we're going to blend the sauce. Okay, so our sauce is blended. I'm just going to give it a little taste just to check it for salt. I think that's fine. Obviously there's enough salt in the soya sauce and the chicken stock, so you just got to be careful not to add too much extra salt. So that's ready. So we're just going to leave that to the side. Okay, so the next stage is I'm going to put on a pan, nice and hot, and we're going to cook our onions. So pan on, nice and hot, a little bit of oil. This is one small onion that I've just finely sliced. I'll cook these in here for about a minute. Okay, so once our onions start to take on a bit of colour, we're going to go in with about 70 grams of frozen peas. Cook this for about another minute. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll take this out of the pan into a bowl. And we'll leave this to the side. Pan back on the heat. Okay, in with a little bit more oil. And we'll go straight in with our chicken. I've got about 320 grams of chicken breast, which I've just cut into strips. Just cook that down until it goes nice and brown. Okay, so once that's got a nice bit of colour on it, we're going to go in now with our curry sauce. Okay, so just turn the heat right down. Stick a lid on it and give this about a good 4 or 5 minutes just to cook slowly. Okay, so that's been simmering for about 4 or 5 minutes, just gently. So we're just going to finish this off with the onions and the peas that we cooked earlier. Okay, so that's our curry ready just to serve up now. Okay, so I'm just serving this with plain rice, plain boiled rice. Obviously, if you prefer, you can serve it with noodles. Okay, so that's the takeaway Chinese style chicken curry. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching my video today. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you all again soon.